हाय गाइस, गुड इवनिंग, नमस्कार। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? इट्स बिन क्वाइट सम टाइम और कुछ वीक्स बीत गए हैं मार्च मंथ के सिंस वी हैव लास्ट डन द लाइव सेशन टुगेदर एंड टुडे इज़ वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट डे. टुडे इज़ the closure day for March challenge of running and cycling. And if you are here right now with me, please just put some comment in the comment section so that I know you are here with me live. And in the meantime, let me quickly see who all are with me live right now. मैं भी अपने फ्रेंड्स को इनवाइट कर रहा हूँ. आप भी सारे मार्च चैलेंजर्स को इनवाइट कर लीजिए, बुला लीजिए यहाँ पे, बिकॉज इट इज़ रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट that all of them are here on the session, because it is going to be the day for their achievement, to reveal the journey of 1 month long starting from 1st March until 31st March. 2 दिन पहले हमारा चैलेंज फिनिश हुआ. आप लोगों के पास बहुत सारे टारगेट्स थे. कुछ लोगों ने रन एवरीडे चैलेंज लिया, 2 किलोमीटर, 5 किलोमीटर, 10 किलोमीटर्स एवरी डे दे यूज टू रन. कुछ लोगों ने एक डिस्टेंस चैलेंज लिया और रनिंग किया उन्होंने पूरे मंथ में, 31 डेज में वो अचीव किया, लाइक 50, 100, 200, 300, 500. दिस वॉज फॉर रनिंग एंड वॉकिंग. और जो हमारे राइडर्स साथी हैं, दे हैव कंप्लीटेड देयर हाउ फार कैन यू गो चैलेंज. So that how far can you go challenge take them to start the journey from 100 kilometers onwards per month, 100, 200, 300, 500, 1000, 2000 and 3000 kilometers. So this was the bigger targets for cycling and moderate targets for running. But this challenge was for building the consistency in your routine. This challenge was to enforce you into a cycle of fitness, into a cycle of routine workout, the daily workout, because when you go for a run, you don't just go for a run, you do little warm up before, then you do little stretching afterwards, some sort of strength trainings in between. So it's a complete cycle, complete workout for 1 full month. And I'm so happy, and on behalf of me and all my team at Indian Runners, I thank you everyone for staying active with us, for staying enthusiastic with us, for running and cycling and walking with us. और इससे पहले कि मैं आपको यहाँ पे आज मेडल्स शोकेस करूँ, let me just see who all are with me right now.
Hi guys, good evening.
Okay, so here we have Rakesh. Hi Rakesh. Hey Amit. Hi Dattatreya. Hi Savi. Hi Rakesh. Nitish, Bhushan. Everybody, welcome. And once again, happy Holi to all of you. Recently, 4 days back, we celebrated the Festival of Colors. You can also see that I am already into yellow color. All right, so it's time to check out the medals. और आप यहाँ पे पीछे देख सकते हैं. Here we have, जैसा कि मैंने पिछले मंथ जब February चैलेंज के मेडल हम लोगों ने रिवील किया था, I just informed you that in the center we will have the medals for the current month जो recent launch होगा, and then उसके बाद 1 by 1 running के medals इधर left side में shift होते चले जाएंगे. So we have January challenge number 1, then we have Republic Day challenge number 2, then we have the blue number 2, that is February challenge, and on my left side we have in the red color the cycling challenge for January, then Republic Day challenge, 1 ride, and then we have February challenge with number 2. So you already know that there is a series going on. Number 1, number 2, obviously March is going to be number 3. But then when we are talking about numbers, so और एक और चीज यदि आप लोगों ने नोटिस किया हो, so here in January we have the model of soldiers here, because that's our Republic Day month, the prime month. So we have it soldiers over there. In February we have the love in the air thing, so we have that Valentine logo on the medal. So let me ask you guys, what do we have in March Challenger medal? This is what you have to tell me right now, and I'm gonna check the comments right away. Let's see if you get it right. What shape or article or what we are representing in March month? You can find it out by a little hint of looking back in the journey. In the previous years, you will find something. You can have a look, or you can, just try to memorize what was there in previous years. This will help you. Hi Manish. Hi Suvadeep. Hi Vinita. Good evening. Hi Jaya. Hi Nishu. Hi Nishu Chaudhary. Hi Manjinder. Hi Samiran. Colorful Holi. Yes, thank you so much. So I believe it was a wonderful and colorful and pleasureful Holi for everybody across the country and across the globe, for all the people with us, our friends, families, colleagues, everyone is happy with this. And today is the day for medal number 4 for this year, and the number would be 3. That is going to be Indian Marathon March Challenge for this side, and Indian Cyclothon March Challenge for this side. So, any guesses what shape could be there on the medal, as well as what color could be there on the medal? Because here on the January one you can see red both sides, on February you can see blue both sides, and it's time for March. Again it would be both sides, but you have to tell me what color would be there on number 3, as well as you have to tell me what is there inside the medal, what shape is there in the running challenge medal. I'm just checking. Okay, so people have the guesses. The guesses says balloons, pichkari, colors. Yes, colors are there, but कौन सा color and what kind of shape? Because color की कोई shape नहीं होती है ना. When we're talking about some kind of structure or some kind of shape, तो आपको ये बताना है कि what kind of shape it is, what is it representing. And always, all the time, you can take hints and help and support from our favorite runner, Savi Kaur. You can tag her, and I'm sure she can help you with some sort of hint so that you can grab it. I'm getting some comments here. Yes, of course, color would be there. The medal would be colorful. Being the medal of March month, being the medal of the month of Holi, the medal has to be colorful. Yeah. What shape and what color? That's what you have to guess. Shape and color for March Challenger medal. And I'm waiting for your comments, guys. Mixed color. पर मिक्स कलर तो मिक्स हो जाएगा ना, पता ही नहीं चलेगा कौन सा है. तो बहुत सारे कलर्स होने चाहिए, मल्टीपल कलर्स होने चाहिए, बट शुड बी डिफरेंशिएटेड, है ना. तो इजीली हमें पता चले कि हाँ ये कलर, ये कलर, ये कलर, ये कलर, ऐसा. दोस्तों फटाफट से गेस कीजिए, बताइए मुझे कौन से कलर्स की मैं बात कर रहा हूं यहाँ पे मार्च चैलेंजर मेडल में. मेडल मेरे पीछे रखे हैं यहाँ पे, और जैसे ही आप सही कलर बता देंगे मेडल सामने आ जाएंगे. इट्स लाइक ए क्विज, है ना. तो इट इज सराउंडेड बाय मी, हिडन बिहाइंड मी, और जैसे ही आप बताएंगे सही कलर, मेडल्स के आगे का दरवाजा खुल जाएगा, खुल जा सिम सिम हो जाएगा, और मेडल आ जाएंगे बाहर. Any guesses? Let me quickly check it here. All right. So let me tell you. Balloon is not there. Water gun is not there. Pichkari is not there. Number 3 is printed on. Definitely, I already told you कि this medal is going to be a series for this year. तो 1 से 12 तक हमारा पूरा सीरीज चलेगा. Number 1 आ चुका है, फिर Number 2 आ चुका है. Now it's time for Number 3. So after Number 1 in January challenge, Number 2 in February challenge, Number 3 for March challenge is coming, and coming very 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 soon in next few minutes. आपको बताना है कि उसमें कलर कौन सा है मेडल में, और उस पे शेप कौन सी है. जैसे ही आप बता देंगे, इट्स लाइक यू हैव टू टेल मी, यू हैव टू ओपन द बॉक्स, यू हैव टू ओपन द पेंडोरा. आप बताएंगे, कवर खुल जाएगा ऑटोमेटिक. ओके, नो देयर इज नो मास्क. हाय हर्षिता, हाय समर्पिता, हाय यश, हे रंजन. गुड इवनिंग गाइज, गुड इवनिंग अक्षय, ललित, हाय जेडी, हाय राजू राम डूडी, एवरीबडी, गुड इवनिंग गाइज. ओके, तो आप हिंट जो है मैंने आपको दिया था थोड़ा सा कि आपको पिछले साल के मेडल की तरफ जाना है 2020, और उससे आपको पता चलेगा कि क्या हो सकता है फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर मार्च मंथ, है ना। पिछला मेडल आप यदि गेस कर लेंगे और पिछला मेडल यदि आप चेकआउट कर लेंगे, आप की वॉल पे यदि टंगा हो, यदि आपने मार्च चैलेंज 2020 कंप्लीट किया होगा, तो यू मस्ट बी हैविंग दैट proudly hanging on your wall so they can check it out and you can tell me what shape it could be for March Challenge 2021. Comments में देख रहा हूं यहाँ पे, and I have multiple colors. Tricolor, yes, tricolor would be there but not tricolor is usually we call it for our तिरंगा. तो तिरंगा तो definitely नहीं होगा because तिरंगा was there in January Republic Day Challenge में, यहाँ पे भी है और यहाँ पे भी है. So it's time for some other colors, and I have so many hints that Akshay is saying yellow, Samarpita saying yellow, Jay is saying black. Black is there, yellow is there. There is one more color. So there are 3 colors in total on the medal, और आपको तीनों कलर्स के नाम बताने हैं. तीनों कलर्स के नाम आपको बताने हैं. ब्लू नहीं है, रेड नहीं, पता नहीं रेड का मेरे को, ग्रीन नहीं है. एक साथ एक मैसेज में आपको मेरे को तीनों कलर बताने हैं. इट इज दैट्स वेरी सिंपल, दैट सिंपल, है ना. अभी मैं आपको हिंट्स पे हिंट्स दिए जा रहा हूं और मैं आपको आपका जो रीच करना, आपको जहां तक पहुंचना है टारगेट तक, वहां तक पहुंचाने में पूरी हेल्प कर रहा हूं. मेडल पे मैंने आपको बताया कि देयर इज नंबर 3. मेडल पे देयर इज ए शेप ऑफ समथिंग. वो शेप आपको गेस करना है और आपको हिंट मैंने दिया कि आप जाएं पिछले साल, है ना, 1 साल पहले जाएं. आपको हिंट मिल जाएगा कि उस पर क्या शेप होगा. और उसके बाद जो अभी फाइनल क्वेश्चन है, मैंने आपको यह भी बताया कि उसके ऊपर 3 कलर्स हैं. ऑलराइट, सो मेडल विद नंबर 3 डिफरेंट कलर्स ऑन द मेडल, 1 शेप. आई रियली डोंट नो व्हाट शेप इट कुड बी, सो यू हैव टू गेस इट फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस मार्च चैलेंज 2020 मेडल, एंड देन यू हैव टू टेल मी 3 डिफरेंट कलर्स, व्हाट आर दे. तीनों कलर एक साथ आप बताइए और मेडल यहां से यहां आ जाएगा, लाइक दिस. Okay, I'm waiting guys. I'm waiting for your comments. Comments are yellow, black, red, yellow, green, yellow, red and black. Oh my god, किसने लीक किया? किसने तो लीक किए कलर्स एकदम ऐसे एक्यूरेट परफेक्ट 3 कलर्स का गेस, एंड दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. वी हैव the colors as red, yellow and black. Okay, so it's time to show you. One quiz is still remaining. The colors are yellow, black and red. और एक चीज अभी बाकी है कि उस पे कौन सी शेप है. आ चुका है क्या? Okay, that's a shoe. Absolutely, I'm sure Jaya has earned that medal. So it's time to reveal the medal for March Challenge, Garmin Indian Marathon March Running Challenge. मेडल से पहले आपको मैं जरा रिबन के दर्शन करवा देता हूं. दिस यू कैन सी दैट यू गाइज आर ए प्राउड फिनिशर फॉर दिस चैलेंज. सो दैट्स बोल्ड एंड वाइट कलर, एंड देन यू हैव द एम्ब्लेम completely written as March Challenge 2021. Then you have what do you have? You have yes. So this challenge is powered by Indian runners. This challenge is under the aegis of Garmin Indian Marathon. Our hashtag is Bhaglo. We have to ensure that all the time when we go to office, we run with the traffic. When we come back, we run to reach home early. So sometime we also have to spare in the morning or in the evening, no matter when. But we also have to run for ourselves, for our fitness, for our health. So that is the motive, and that's the reason for hashtag Bhaglo. All right, guys. So here's the medal. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. आप मेरे साथ काउंट कर सकते हैं. 3, 2, 1, and here's the medal. Here is the medal. So you can see this has the color 3. मैंने जो टी-शर्ट पहना है येलो कलर, that was the hint. So number 3 is in the color yellow. Then we have red shoe, and then we have black March Challenge. So here's the medal for Garmin Indian Marathon March Running Challenge 2021, the third monthly challenge of this year. And many congratulations to all the finishers. You have done exceptionally well for your fitness, for your health, for your healthy routine. Bravo and salute to all of you. Anybody want to click a selfie with me with this medal? Please, thank you so much. All right. So let's move on. Every month, I must tell you that these medals are getting bolder, smarter, and beautiful month on month. So this medal will go here back. Let me put you so that you guys can have an eye on it all the time. You don't miss it. Okay. दिख नहीं रहा है ये. Let me do some tweaks. All right. Is it visible, guys? A little. थोड़ा सा ये twisted है. Okay. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं we already have revealed the medal for Garmin Indian Marathon March Challenge 2021 with 3 different vibrant colors. It's on the back. The medal is here. Coming soon to you. Monday onwards the deliveries will start. तो मंडे और ट्यूसडे से आपके घर पे ये मेडल्स जो है पहुंचना शुरू हो जाएंगे. ऑलराइट. प्रीपोन हो रहा है ना. अर्लियर वी यूज टू डिलीवर इट स्टार्ट द शिपिंग प्रोसेस ऑन 13th. लेकिन इस मंथ से ये मेडल आपके पास फर्स्ट 5-6 डेज में ही पहुंच जाएगा. मंडे से ये डिलीवरी स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे आपके पास. मेडल्स ऑलरेडी शिपिंग प्रोसेस में निकल चुके हैं आप लोगों के लिए. I believe certificates you already have downloaded and shared on your social media with your friends, everyone on the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, everywhere. यदि नहीं किया है तो मैं आपको यहाँ पे फटाक से बता देता हूँ कि आपके सर्टिफिकेट्स रेडी हैं. आप डाउनलोड कर लीजिए. जाइए अपनी वेबसाइट www.indianrunners.in पे माई अकाउंट में माई सर्टिफिकेट्स पेज पे आपके सर्टिफिकेट वहाँ पे पब्लिश्ड हैं. आपको सिर्फ डाउनलोड बटन पे क्लिक करना है. सर्टिफिकेट आ जाएगा आपके पास. आप उसको फटाक से इधर उधर शेयर कर दीजिए. लगा दीजिए हैशटैग भाग लो, प्राउड फिनिशर. यू चैलेंज योर सेल्फ इन द मार्च मंथ. यू कंप्लीटेड इट. यू गोना अर्न दिस. यू हैव ऑलरेडी अर्न योर फिनिशर सर्टिफिकेट. Quickly go and share it, guys. It is really important that you do something for yourself. You share it with other people. That gives them little motivation. Slowly, more and more people will be attached towards fitness. So this will help others to stay fit. Your running will help you to stay fit. And once you share your rewards, your medal, your certificates on social media, that will help others to stay fit. So it is important. Please share your certificates. Download it now and share it quickly. Yep. Okay. So ये मेडल्स आपके पास पहुंच जाएंगे मंडे ऑनवर्ड्स. अभी बारी आती है वी टॉकिंग अबाउट द चैलेंज फॉर साइकिलिंग. लेट मी जस्ट हैव अ क्विक सिप. And now here I have the wonderful medal for the cycling challenge finishers of March. This is your challenge, guys. That's the name of your challenge. March Challenge 2021. You have completed this. And here you can see the wonderful names. That's a Merida Indian Cyclothon March Challenge. Our hashtag is BeBiker. We can always use vehicles. We can always use bikes, means the motorbikes, the cars, all those things. But yes, it is really important that we take our good care for our health, our fitness, and we use cycles. So that's this logo, BeBiker, and of course, Indian Runners is the backbone for these challenges. And here's the medal. Here is the medal. The black color on the ribbon, red color on the medal, and number 3, of course. So Here you go. Many congratulations to all the riders who have taken the challenge of March cycling and completed it gracefully, fantastically, injury free. People have done 3,000 kilometers in a month, some have done 2,000, some have done 1,000, 500, 700, 600, 300, 200, 100. You guys are awesome. You are taking time for your fitness, you are taking time for your health. Let me just quickly fix this for you also. Okay, so here I have so these are the gems, these two gems for March month of 2021. Many congratulations once again, and thank you so much for joining me here. I can see all your lovely comments, guys. If I missed some names, please pardon me, but just to ensure that we close the session quickly, this was for today, and April challenge has already started yesterday. If you have not yet joined it, please quickly join yourself, enroll yourself. You must have received a WhatsApp message from us or SMS, or maybe you can check your emails. If nothing works out, go to Facebook page of Indian Marathon, Indian Cyclothon, or Indian Runners. If you don't find it, go to Instagram, Indian Marathon, Indian Cyclothon, or Indian Runners. You go to our website, that is www.indianrunners.in, INDIANRUNNERS.in. We all are Indian Runners, and .in is important because that's our Indian thing. Yeah, so please go to the website. On the homepage, you will find everything. If you need any sort of help, any error you are facing somewhere, any challenge, any issue, any problem, just save the number +91 7400 189911. I'm repeating the number +91 7400 189911. Please save this number as Indian Runners. Drop us a message on WhatsApp. Within 24 hours to 48 hours, your problem will be solved. Query resolved quickly. ठीक है दोस्तों, भागते रहिए, साइकिल चलाते रहिए, वॉक करते रहिए. और I have a query because I'm getting a query multiple times from some people that say I don't run, I just walk. So when I talk about the Garmin Indian Marathon running challenge, there is hardly any difference in running and walking technically, because it's a matter of speed. If you are running, that means you are fast. You are on the moderate speed, you are jogging. And then if you are slow, then you are walking. That's how the activity starts. Activity starts with walk. Slowly we go for a jogging, and then slowly we move towards running, and then running faster. So all the walkers in the house, please feel free to join running challenge. Your walking activity will be counted 100% into running challenge, and you will be rewarded well. You will be respected absolutely equal to the runners. All right, so running challenge, cycling challenge, आप फटाफट से ज्वाइन कर लीजिए. यदि आपको लिंक चाहिए तो जो मैंने आपको नंबर बताया +91 7400 189911, वहाँ पे व्हाट्सएप पे आप मैसेज कर दीजिए, आपको लिंक मिल जाएगा, आपकी क्वेरी सॉल्व हो जाएगी. जस्ट ड्रॉप योर क्वेरी एंड फॉरगेट इट, वी विल टेक केयर ऑफ इट. ऑलराइट, सी यू सून, वेरी सून विद 2021 champion. Till then, take care, have a good evening, stay safe, stay home, and stay active. Take care, bye.